Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, diet and weight loss coach, and in today's video I will teach you clean eating diet for weight loss. So if you want to lose some weight and get healthier, please do stick around and watch this video fully from beginning to end because I promise to help you lose a few pounds, and to achieve that goal I will give you some top diet tips that I have in this video. Now, before I get started, a very warm welcome to this clean eating diet for weight loss video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the centre of the screen. I've been helping people to lose weight and get healthier for a number of years now. And I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. Tip number 1. Follow a plant-based diet. One of the best ways that you can make your diet healthier and cleaner is to eat more plant-based meals. You can add vegetables to almost every meal or snack that you eat in the day, so my advice to you is to try and include more vegetables in nearly all of your meals. This will give you more nutritional content, less calories, and reduce the less healthy items on your plate. My advice is to start by eating at least one plant-based meal per day, whether that be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Tip number 2. Read the food nutrition labels on any foods that you eat. I highly recommend that you begin to read food labels when you purchase foods. This is because reading nutrition labels lets you know if an item contains limited, clean ingredients or if it's filled with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial sweeteners. I would suggest to focus on eating more whole foods that don't need a label. Packaged foods can still be added to your diet as long as they contain healthy ingredients, so I recommend you check out the contents on the label when you purchase. My advice to you is when shopping is to purchase foods that contain only whole natural ingredients and are low in added sugar. Tip number 3. Choose foods based on the ingredients, not on the calories. In order for you to lose weight, I recommend that you choose foods based on the ingredients more than the calories. Although cutting out energy-dense, unhealthy items is crucial to weight loss, it's more important for you to pay attention to food quality and ingredients than calories. Here is an example. Although avocados and nuts are high in calories, they are also packed with nutrients like fiber and healthy fats that can promote weight loss. So by keeping this is by keeping you satisfied between meals. So my advice is to keep a close eye on the ingredients of the foods that you eat. Plus, picking foods based on what will nourish your body, rather than obsessing over which foods are good or bad, can help you develop a healthy relationship with all foods. Can I please just take a moment and ask you a quick question? Is this all making sense to you? Please let me know in the comments below. Tip number 4. Include more protein in your diet. Diets that are higher in protein have been shown to suppress hunger, boost the metabolism, increase muscle mass, and decrease body fat. So my advice to you is to eat more protein-rich foods in your diet. Some clean sources of protein include eggs, poultry, fish, tofu, dairy, nuts, and beans, which can be easily added to any meal. I highly recommend that you start combining protein sources with high fiber foods, which makes for filling snacks that will keep you satisfied between meals. For example, you can dip sliced vegetables into a few tablespoons of hummus, or topping flax crackers with egg salad provides a winning combination. That will help you stay fuller for longer. Ideal practice for weight loss. Tip number 5. Try experimenting with new foods in your diet. I recommend that you experiment with new and different foods in your diet. This will keep things fresh. By adopting a clean eating pattern that involves trying new foods is an excellent way to get healthier, ideal for weight loss. My advice is to try out a new vegetable or spice or something similar every week. This can help keep meals interesting and get rid of the food boredom factor. Before you know it, you will have a wide variety of ingredients to use in your recipes to make cooking more enjoyable and fun. Now please don't go anywhere because I still have some more key tips to give you. But if you want a program for weight loss, I have a program that I recommend you have a look at. Click the link below the video and it will take you to a website. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. On the website, you can get the keto diet for weight loss within minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people get better results. I will now give you some more tips and advice that I have to help you lose weight and get healthier. Tip number 6. Keep your fridge stocked with healthy choices. When you are transitioning to a healthier diet, I recommend that you be prepared. This way you always have the ability to make healthy meals and snacks. I highly recommend that you set aside time every week to go grocery shopping, which will ensure your kitchen is stocked with the ingredients necessary to keep you on track with your wellness and weight loss goals. My advice is to keep a supply of healthy canned, frozen and bulk ingredients on hand. This can make last-minute meals a breeze. Canned beans, frozen vegetables and grains like quinoa and oats are affordable. Clean ingredients can also be stored in the freezer and pantry to be enjoyed at any time. Tip number 7. Allow yourself a treat meal every so often. Although some diets will promote the idea of reducing calories and eliminating certain food groups, this can be ideal and very beneficial for weight loss. However, I would suggest to focus more on healthier eating for a more long-term approach to better health and weight loss. I recommend that you choose a healthy method of weight loss which will be more sustainable for you over the long term. The good news is that clean eating is a weight loss method that can be followed for life, without depriving yourself or using unhealthy tactics to reach a healthy weight. This means you can still enjoy your favourite meals without completely eliminating them. By simply cutting out ultra-processed foods and following a diet of whole foods, your health will improve in numerous ways, including losing excess pounds. I'm curious to know, did this video help you? Are you going to use any of the advice that I have given you today? You can tell me right away. Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want a complete program for weight loss, I have a program that I highly recommend you have a look at. Click the link below the video and you will be taken to a website. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. On the website, you can get the Keto diet program for weight loss within minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people get better results in this area, and I would like you to get yourself on this program so that you can put yourself in a stronger and better position to help you get the results that you want. So it's definitely worth you taking the time to check it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Please connect with me on Facebook. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best on your weight loss journey. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.